Easy install. It can be installed without open the car headlight assembly. Lumen 1300, pure high brightness, highlight seamless, import lights core, quality assurance, heat dissipation quickly, lasting lighting. As running light, it will be white when the car is running. As turn signal light, it will be sequential flowing yellow, amber, sequential when the car is turning. Notes. Use glue to stick the joints for better waterproofing. Accent DRL and turn signal. A striking white liner look with turn signal activated amber lights. Flexibility is very good, soft and easy to make any shapes and length to fit into your headlight retrofit. Very strong plasticity. Silicone is a kind of highly active adsorption material. The strip light, no matter how twisted, recovery is very good. Non-flammable, fire retardant burn. Bends to your will. Can be bent, twisted, and contoured to fit most headlights. The LED strip tube lights can paste outside of the headlights directly without disassembling the headlight. Super easy to install. Just require right connect to the positive, plus, and negative side. It can be cut to any size and recapped. After cutting, the tail must be insulated, otherwise it will be short-circuited. Simply splice into your current DRL and turn signal wiring. Important notice. Amazon filter system may not be 100% accurate. The bulb size may vary between trim of your vehicle. Please double-check owner's manual or original bulb size to confirm before placing an order. 60 cm in length, and cuttable every 3 LED beads, must seal the tube with insulated glue for waterproof protection. The LED tube light can be used for car headlight, daytime running light, turn signal light, angel eye light, and so on. Brighter and clearer than the original halogen lamps of your car. Compatible for most of vehicles like cars, SUV, vans, trucks, boats with District of Columbia 12V power. 100% refund within 30 days and 12 months free replacement. Note. Any problems, please send email to us at first time. Top reviews from the United States. Hard to install. It came out to be really good, really hard to install. I will recommend not to mess with your fuse box, and install them directly to your headlights cables. Do not install them to ACC, it's not worth it.